Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete short history on YouTube. You can remove shorts from YouTube by following the simple step from this video. Removing shorts from history will clear the browsing history and thus will clear the in-app cache. The shorts are the 15 seconds to 30 seconds clips of videos, therefore you can watch numerous in one go. This can create a hurdle when you browse your Chrome history to look for something important and are not able to find it. Step 1. Open YouTube app. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. All you have to do is go on the respective app, install YouTube, and sign in to continue. Step 2. Tap the library option. Once you open the app, you have to tap on the library icon present at the bottom of the screen in the rightmost corner. Step 3. You have to tap on this history option from the following options present on the screen: history, your videos, or downloads. Then tap on the options of the short you want to remove. Then tap on remove from watch history. This sums up the process to remove shorts from YouTube. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.